Hey guys, it's Jeff and Jade here, and welcome to our caravan setup.
So we've got the Tundra 2024, towing capacity is 4.5 tonne, nice car to drive, heaps of room, great display on it. And then we've got the 216R ERV.
This is our retreat. We go off-grid. Fire pit is a must when you go off-grid. All of us got the split system. Yeah, we do a lot of cooking. I'm into bread lately. I do the bread and scones, and we did brownies the other day. And we've got the TV, the outside TV. Yeah, so everything's like set up for outside. We can do everything outside.
So we're running the ARV Spacious with a Titan Air airbag system. So we're fully remote controlled by your phone. So nice and easy. You jump inside your van, level it. If you want to lift your bed, hide up, you can just do it all by the airbag control on your phone.
Let me show you inside. Okay, so this is the 216R. So we've got the kitchen facing the awning area. We've got the induction cooker, all essential coffee machine. Got the east-west bed. Then we wanted the aircon, the split system aircon.
Whereas this thing, it's a walk in the park. Within 5 minutes your van's cool or hot, whatever you want it.
So our bathroom, we opted for the composting toilet. Just lasts longer off-grid. Instead you don't have to worry about the cassette really.
Yeah, so this is our caravan setup, 216R. Absolutely love the retreats, always been a fan. If anyone wants to follow us, Jeff and Jade Adventures.
On Instagram.
On Instagram.